Hi everyone. We continue with the streaming. Um, okay, let me see. We are going to close all the open tabs. Yeah, this one too. Um, this one too. No problem. Close all tabs. Yeah. Um, we continue with the inclusiveness target machine. The sh- 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 mm, mm, mm. I have a problem with the Chrome. Yeah, Chrome here. Let me see. The first one is Twitch is alive. Mm, yes, and the other one web page um, is offensive security. So inclusiveness is alive. So as I said you before, this is not finished. This machine. We are trying to finish it now. Um, the first one is review the ping connection to the target machine. Yes, the machine is alive, so we can perform an nmap scan to the IP 129.40. Yeah, and again we have HTTP port open 21. This is a FTP, and 22 is an SSH open port. So we can open the browser and access to the target IP. Maybe intercept is off. Yeah. Okay. And it's an HTTP server. Then we can fuse in here. Okay. Let me see. 4. Yeah. Yes. So the FTP we can try to connect to this IP. This is anonymous, and this is anonymous at domain.com. Yeah, allow anonymous login. So there are a folder cdpoof ls, and it seems that there are no content at this. Yes, I remember that there are no content, but we are going to use it before. Yes. On the port SSH. I don't know what happened today with nmap. Maybe it's -pn the problem. Yeah. Um. This part we can locate scan pipe grep ports pipe grep security scan port sh um, mm, port scan TCP port scan metasploit framework locate scan with images. Okay, this finish. Um, we don't need to use it. So SSH port and 80 port with the methods get post option heads. Yes, I remember that. We can try to access to the robots txt and say you are not a search engine, you can read my robots txt. So it seems that there are content but it's not allowed by um, the server access because we are not search engine. So it's possible to go to google.com. So sorry, google.com. Yeah, advanced. This is because view certificate. Yeah, this problem is because let me show you. So the problem is the follow. Search engine header type SEO best practice. So what is use tags to provide this tool? So when you yeah, this is let me see, explains Google SEO header structure header tags SEO headers request, for example, status codes header SEOs, what is it here? Google boot request. Yeah, from Google boot user agent, for example, Google boot. Yeah, location. Yeah, so let me show you that if we intercept this request, it say accept txt user agent. User agent is a search engine header user agent. Common format, web browser, web information, Mozilla version, user agent. For example, agent crawler you boot UA strings. So this is a user agent header string user agent for a Google Boot SEO agent. Send to repeater. Yeah, and right now, so disallow this secret information. So this seems that at this path we have information. So forward and say DNS zone transfer attack. So it seems that we can perform a dig zone transfer attack. For example, uh, uh, um, this could be close, and at this one we can perform dig. What is the IP? So XFR maybe. So send to intruder, yeah, this request, and we can find that there are a variable about a parent variable about this path language value. So we can try to perform an attack load snap. Why snap? So I don't want to snap. So maybe it's add user share word list. Yeah. So maybe checklist, web cells, pilots, discovery, fusing, LFE, Linux, Windows, partition. Let me see. Yeah, but I don't want use it, so we are going to remove all of them. So load. Maybe I should search for it. Locate transversal pipe grep word list word list path word list exactly LFE. So path to rest hue sub. So share share grep fusing checklist cd yeah fine here and use, for example, trash grep SQL fusing, SQL injection, database. So SQL um, mm, 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 mm. Uh, inject. So locate, inject, pipe grep, SQL. Grep share, metasploit error injection, trans transversal. um, Let me see. Directory path transversal. Transversal dictionary. Directory path transversal, dictionary path transversal, OWASP foundation, directory transversal, traversal is traversal in English. Versal, yeah. Pipe grep share, cyclist, file names traversal. Let me this is not that I want. Clear. So SQL user agent ex agents fusing extensions, miscellaneous paywall payloads, web cells, Dirvi, other stress balls. Tomcat test. Yeah, viktigaste balls, others. Dirvaster. Metasploit. Yeah, this one. Add fuzing, and we can start the attack. So by the len content, we can find that this variable is vulnerable to directory path traversal attack. So here we are looking the content of etc password. So let me see, launch it, and at the we can stop it at the proxy. We can replace this one and forward. Yeah, so let me try again. Yeah, and this is the content of ATC password. So did this local file inclusion allow us to for example review content information. What is the last one? Yeah, this is the content, and we found an FTP server here with this path name and no login, but there are another users with a login, like so text editor. We can find this is bash, for example, root user and tom user. So if we have send to repeater, we can change this intruder repeater proxy. Yep. Original request, no, edited request. We can go here and change it. Yeah. This is the encoded URL decode. So this is the directory path traversal. So this let us to do home tom for example local.txt. That is the first flag. Yeah, nice. This is our first flag. Now we need access. So we know that there are an FTP that allow us upload content, and we have to a way to review this content. So we can upload a PHP reverse shell to the content and follow and looking for the content in the server in order to execute it. So the FTP by default is at etc FTP server. I don't remember the default path. Let me see. So etc FTP but uh, 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 here FTP default etc config file client configuration. Yeah, so Linux path uh, default yes, maybe it's here at my local machine, not, but um, maybe at the remote machine that has installed this one. It's possible. Maybe we need to put this one here and execute it. No, maybe with this one, maybe with mm, yeah, here this could be the root by default. um, Let me show at my local machine. No, because I don't have installed this FTP. So the last option is install at my local to review what is the default configuration, but I don't think that we need it. Uh, mm -mm. We can concat it, encode all of them. Not. So let me review the last that work fine. Yeah. Mm, what is the FTP version? So mhm. So default configuration file. etc. Yeah, it seems that is this file. Let me see. at the installation it say that. So mhm. Intruder bar sheet. Yeah. Yeah, here. Nice. So it's a anonymous root login. It's at this path. So when we connect directly using FTP at this place, we can obtain the content of this path. So we can go to cd home, Kali, offensive security and inclusiveness, cd scripts, and let me see. Yeah, so cp home, Kali, php reversal, shell, no, reverse to, for example, php here, um, beam reverse php. So if config is this path, yeah, let me see, IP description, no, is here. This is my attacker IP. So at port we are start to listen netcat at port 4043, yeah, 443, sorry. So we can exit. We need to go to the right path, that is this one. Yes, and connect again FTP 21 with anonymous and anonymous at domain.com. Yeah, let me get inside. So pub the public, and here we can put the content of the reverse file. Connection address already in use. So login with user and pass. Verify specific password. Exit. No. Yep. Sorry. No need mouse. And here no need mouse at domain.com. Using binary modi files password login success. Right now. Poof. Yeah, and put the file, yeah, right now. So if we know that this is the path content, we can do this. Yeah, bar ftp and reverse to php. So this is the request, and don't work. So let me try it again. uh, this is the name of the, yeah, let me see. um, FTP, yeah, PHP. mm, no, this is with control. Not. Hmm. Yeah. So, for example, if we create echo, so um, this is a PHP. I think that I have it. Cd dot. So fine. So maybe this one. So cat. Yeah. So cat to file PHP. Yeah. We can put the file PHP here. Why? Because I need go inside to here smooth file PHP to scripts. Yep, and I can just put file PHP FTP, so we can execute file PHP. So cmd id, for example. Maybe with poof. Poof, the public. No. So this could be encode convert to Unicode. No. So what happened here? Bar ftp file php cmd. The name of the file is file php, no? File ls is file dot php. Yeah, and the content of file is cat file dot php scripts cat file php. Yeah, this obtain a cmd value and execute it. So maybe beam file php maybe is the this variable like this. um, Move this to file 2.php. File, sorry, move file php to file 2.php. Yeah. Put file 2.php. Perfect. At this moment we can use file 2.php id, or who am I? If we do this, yeah, maybe we can, yeah, with this one, proxy intercept, um, forward Spanish, this one, I prefer this one. So forward is with you link to this one. You can perform this operation with this encode, maybe. Encode, yeah. All of them, yeah. Control U, no. Convert selection URL Unicode, yeah. Forward. So it's something that I don't understand right. So let me clear this. Yes. Forward, forward, forward. Yeah. So at this moment we can try to do bar FTP. Yeah, this is the repeater bar FTP. Bar FTP. Yeah. This is the content, and for example, file 2.php, so cmd id, send to repeater. Yeah, it's seen that something happened. So at repeater, and with file 1, what happened? Without this one, So um I don't know, maybe we can just find it um the um, mm, um path traversal invoke php ftp ftp found the data sensitive files information. So uh, um um how can I find it? So uh, let me see. Maybe um mm, 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 mm. So this is bar ftp poof the this is, yeah, maybe is this one. Yeah, right now. Why right now work and before not? The remote command execution with the web shell content. So ls, yeah, index php, yes, pwd, because we are inside of the parameters of the request. So our first parameter should be the first one is with a question mark, and the second one is with an ampersand, and so on and so on, so on. So was my mistake. So we are on streaming. Yeah, the most important thing is understand it. Why you make an error. So this is the path of the content. So maybe we can perform home home tom. Yeah, but file 2, with file 2 what happened with file 2? If we put this one encode, yeah, so maybe home, this is not necessary because we upload the reverse to.php, and it seems that it's going to be executed. Yeah, finally we obtain a reversal and access to the target machine. Who am I? ID, who am I? Yeah, so if config, yeah, this is the local address IP, this is the only one IP yes, yeah. And what is the uname minus a inclusiveness? Yeah, it's a Debian machine. So let me review. Say no TTE present, so we need to spawn TTE. Let me see, spawn TTE cell Python uh, mm, so yeah, this Python 3 this one. So firewall for 3W data. We tried, you have retrieved it. Usual lecture from dual. I don't have it. What is it? um, yes, so we can perform bin bash, for example. Yeah. We're going to close it. Maybe we can start to review the bar 3W HTML. Yeah. Secret information SEO robots city secret information. Let me see. ns index php. So cat index php. I don't have anything. This is the include that allow us use the lang inclusion of our LFE. This is the source code. So cd home tom. Yeah. So this root cell C. So what is the root cell? Root cell root cell dot c. We can review this one. Of course. This is that I won, no? Close this one. So let me see the source code. Say check in if you are Tom. File pop who am I er. So use char f gets user 18f printf. You are this user. Your UID is the get UID. So the set UID is granted. So you need to be Tom user to execute this root cell. Yeah, if you were Tom, you could execute this root cell be root. So this is not the way, because we need access such a Tom user first. So maybe we can review the operative system. Yeah. So cp here. Yes. So Python 3 this one. So cd so tmp. Yep. Right now we can cp 3w get, so the my attacker ip exit is if config, so if config is this one, http at 9999, so sh yam to the script and perform the environment evaluation. So current user groups, variables inside, let me see, uncommon binary set UID is bwrap. What is bwrap? So let me review. Beans. So it's unknown and fs. So yeah, maybe we can execute it with another. I think that we should review this one. So again, dot c. So yes, maybe I can do this. A path hijacking about who am I binary, because this p open a who am I, let me see, home Tom. Yeah, I think that we can exploit this. So who am I is at usr bin who am I, no? Yeah, here. So we can do this. Echo echo Tom to who am I? Why not? Permission denied for bright. Okay, I understand. So we can do echo Tom to tmp who am I? This is right. So I can do this, echo chmod tmp who am I? Chmod x tmp who am I? Yeah, so I can execute it. tmp who am I, and response let me go to cd tmp. So Who am I? Who am I? Permission deny. Why? Let me review. So I can do this. Echo. Maybe I can move it. Who am I? To. Who am I? Fake. And don't have sorry, don't have executing permissions. So chmod execution to who am I? Yeah. So I can execute who am I? Tom. Perfect. If I execute who am I? Say 3w data. So I can do this. Echo path. So I can export path to tmp $path. Yeah. So at this moment, when I do who am I, it say Tom. Perfect. Instead of my perfect. So I can do this. Cd home Tom and execute the root cell binary. Root cell binary. Yeah. ID root. Who am I? Root. Cd root. Yeah, baby. Do you like it? Cat flag txt. Your flag is cat proof txt. Yep. And this is the last one flag. So we execute path hijacking about binary who am I for obtain and exploit the set UID root cell that allow Tom be root. So let me see. Yeah, this is my points. The T-cell. Yeah, so maybe we can continue with another one because maybe solstice. We continue today with solstice. But in another video. See you maybe at the streaming too, because I don't want to perform the penetration test a couple of twice. First one alone. But I know that if I do previously the machine, I can explain better and be more faster, and yeah, but I think it's nice do this online, and this is the reality. See you.